Hi everyone! Today we are going to be making little paper candies. You will need a piece of paper, a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and some markers. Okay, so take your scissors and cut a piece of paper. It has to be long and not too small either, because if you put it too small, then it will be a little small. Since the piece of paper you cut out, the candy is going to end up being half the size of that. So now you put your paper away. Now we're going to draw some pictures on the paper. Okay, now put away your marker. There. Next, you take out your glue stick. Now, before you glue together your candy, you want to make sure that you already have something to put in. If you don't, stop right now and get out that something. That something can be a small gift or a real candy. Okay, so take out your glue. And you want to glue up the side that's going to be covered. It can be this side or this side. Then flip it over and glue the top and the bottom. Curve it into a circle and stick there. You stick that. Put your little something in. Now you squeeze in the middle so it'll take shape. Then put away your glue stick and get out your scissors again. You're going to cut little triangles into the part you glued so it'll look like a candy wrapper. Now you're done! You can give this to a friend or family member as a gift, or you can just keep it yourself. Bye! See you next time!